guys, it's Hi5 Trainer, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make Chana Dal Curry. So let's go into the video. The ingredients that you need are Chana Dal. I took 1 rice cup and you have to let it soak for at least 1 hour. Salt, turmeric, red chilli powder, coriander. I'm using frozen coriander. You can use fresh coriander if you have it. Green chillies, Garam masala, red chillies, cumin seeds, Urid Dal, Chana Dal, mustard seeds, ginger garlic paste, 1 medium-sized tomato cut into small pieces, 1 medium-sized onion cut into small pieces, coriander powder, and Asafotida. Firstly, you need to soak your Chana Dal for at least 1 hour. Then you need to transfer them into a vessel. And add water. After adding water, you need to add 1 teaspoon of salt and mix it. Then you need to put a lid on it and let them cook. You can confirm that the dal is cooked by squeezing it like this. Now that the dal is cooked, you need to take it into another container. Next, you need to add 1 tablespoon oil and let it melt. After the oil is melted, you need to add half teaspoon of Urid Dal, half teaspoon of Chana Dal, 1/4 of a teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1/4 of a teaspoon of cumin seeds, and 2 dried red chilli. A little bit of Asafotida, onions, and green chillies. Then you have to fry them for a bit. Now you have to add 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of turmeric, and tomatoes. Now you have to fry it for a minute. After a minute, you need to add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and mix it again. After mixing it, you need to add 1.5 teaspoon of red chilli powder. You can adjust the salt and red chilli powder to your taste. Next, you need to add 1 teaspoon of Garam masala, 1 teaspoon of dried coriander powder, and mix it. After mixing it, you need to put a lid on the pan and leave it for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, you need to add the Chana Dal and mix it thoroughly. Then you can add more water if you want to, because the curry is going to thicken after it cools down. Next, you need to put a lid on the pan and leave it for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, you need to add the coriander and mix it. Tasty Chana Dal Curry is ready. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and turn on the notifications bell to get notified whenever I upload another video.